How to top up GrabPay's balance. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. On the bottom of your screen, you'll see an option called payment, which is right next to your home button. Simply tap on it. Then scroll down until you see an option called top up, which is right below add a card. So after tapping on it, you'll see three options pop up on your screen: linked bank account, banking app and cards. Simply tap on your preferred option, then tap on bank transfer. Then after choosing your bank and completing the verification steps, you will be able to top up, and it is that easy. By following these simple steps, you can top up on the GrabPay and spend online. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.